Space is vast, it's filled with mystery. One of the most intriguing phenomena, black hole collisions. Imagine two cosmic monsters locked in a gravitational dance. They spiral closer and closer, then bam! They merge in a cataclysmic event. The energy released is unimaginable. It sends shockwaves across the universe. These collisions are more than just celestial fireworks. They are fundamental to our understanding of the universe. They reveal the secrets of gravity. They offer clues about the evolution of galaxies. They even help us understand the very fabric of space-time itself. So buckle up. We're about to dive into the fascinating world of black hole collisions. Get ready for a cosmic adventure. Before we talk about collisions, let's talk about black holes. What are they? In simple terms, a black hole is a region of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They are formed when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives. Black holes come in different sizes. Some are just a few times the mass of our sun, others are millions or even billions of times more massive. These supermassive black holes lurk at the centers of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. But regardless of their size, all black holes share one thing in common: an insatiable appetite for anything that gets too close. When two black holes get too close, gravity takes over, pulling them inexorably towards each other. They begin to orbit each other, locked in a cosmic dance of death, a dance that will end in a dramatic finale. This orbital dance is not a graceful waltz, but rather a chaotic and unpredictable motion. It's a wild, chaotic tango full of sudden twists and turns. As they spiral closer, their speeds increase, reaching incredible velocities. The closer they get, the stronger the gravitational forces become, pulling everything around them into their deadly embrace. The fabric of space-time itself is warped and distorted, bending under the immense gravitational pull. This distortion sends out ripples like waves on a pond, spreading outwards through the cosmos. These ripples are called gravitational waves, and they carry information about the violent events that created them. They travel at the speed of light, carrying energy away from the system, and can be detected millions of light years away. Finally, the two black holes collide in a cataclysmic event. It's not a head-on collision like billiard balls, but a more complex interaction. It's more like two blobs of honey merging, slowly and inexorably becoming one. The event horizons, the points of no return, touch and then merge into one, creating a single, larger horizon. A new, more massive black hole is born, a testament to the incredible forces at play in our universe. The collision of two black holes is a cosmic event of unimaginable violence. It releases an incredible amount of energy, more than all the stars in the observable universe combined. But this energy isn't released as light or heat. It's released in the form of gravitational waves. For decades, gravitational waves were just a theoretical prediction of Einstein's general theory of relativity. But in 2015, scientists made history. They detected gravitational waves for the first time. The signal came from two black holes colliding over 1 billion light-years away. This groundbreaking discovery opened a new window into the universe. We could now hear the cosmos in a way never before possible. Section 5. When black holes collide, energy unleashed. The energy released in a black hole collision is truly mind-boggling. It's not just the sheer amount of energy that's impressive, it's also the form that energy takes. It's not light, heat, or sound. It's the fabric of space-time itself being stretched and squeezed. This energy release has profound effects on the surrounding environment. It can disrupt the orbits of nearby stars and planets. It can trigger the formation of new stars. It can even influence the evolution of entire galaxies. In short, black hole collisions are some of the most energetic and transformative events in the universe. Section 6. Gravitational waves, listening to the universe. So we've talked about gravitational waves, these fascinating ripples in the fabric of space-time. But what exactly are they? And how do they affect our understanding of the cosmos? Imagine throwing a stone into a pond, creating ripples that spread outwards. You see ripples spreading out from the point of impact, moving across the surface. Gravitational waves are similar, but instead of water, they ripple through the very fabric of space-time itself. These ripples are created by massive objects accelerating through space like stars or black holes. The more massive the object and the stronger the acceleration, the larger and more detectable the waves. When two black holes collide, the acceleration is immense, creating powerful ripples that can be detected billions of light years away. By studying these waves, scientists can learn about the objects that created them, unlocking secrets of the universe. Their masses, their spins, their distances. All this information is encoded in the shape and frequency of the waves, providing a cosmic fingerprint. Section 7. Aftermath of the collision. A bigger monster? After the collision, the newly merged black hole settles down. It vibrates like a struck bell, sending out more gravitational waves. These ring-down waves carry information about the final black hole, its mass and spin. The merger often results in a kick, sending the new black hole careening through space. This kick can be so powerful that the black hole is ejected from its host galaxy entirely, becoming a rogue wanderer in the vast emptiness of space. Studying these mergers and their aftermath helps us understand how black holes grow and evolve over cosmic timescales. Section 8. Black hole mergers. Unlocking the universe's secrets. Black hole collisions are more than just spectacular events. They are cosmic phenomena that captivate our imagination and challenge our understanding of the cosmos. These collisions are crucial to our understanding of the universe. They help us piece together the puzzle of how galaxies evolve and interact over billions of years. They provide the strongest tests of Einstein's theory of general relativity. By observing these events, we can see the warping of space-time in action, confirming or challenging our theoretical models. They reveal the population and properties of black holes across cosmic time. This information is vital for understanding the life cycles of stars and the dynamics of galaxies. They even offer clues about the nature of gravity itself. Gravitational waves, ripples in space-time caused by these collisions, provide a new way to observe the universe. As we continue to detect and study these collisions, we'll unlock more secrets of the universe. Each new detection brings us closer to understanding the fundamental forces that shape our reality. We might even discover new physics, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge. These discoveries could revolutionize our understanding of the universe and our place within it. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember those invisible giants locked in their gravitational dances? Their interactions are a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the cosmos. Their collisions, though invisible to our eyes, echo across the universe, carrying secrets just waiting to be revealed. These echoes are like whispers from the past, telling us stories of cosmic events that happened millions or even billions of years ago. What other cosmic wonders remain hidden, waiting for us to discover them? The universe is vast and full of mysteries, each one a potential key to unlocking new realms of knowledge. The universe is full of possibilities, and the quest to understand it is just beginning. With each discovery, we take one step closer to unraveling the grand tapestry of the cosmos. If you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Your support helps us continue exploring the wonders of the universe.